Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Nyla.
And today we're going to draw something sweet and cold and melty.
Ooh, maybe we should draw a popsicle?
Ooh, I like popsicles. How about a popsicle with maybe like 3 different flavors?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
And maybe its head got bitten off too. What do you think? We'll start with the top of the popsicle, and what we'll do is we'll make a long curve that goes all the way down to here. So we'll come from here and we'll go around and then we'll go down like that. So we'll kind of start there. It'll be like an upside down J.
Right here?
Yeah. Start a little bit towards the left and then we'll go down. Yeah. And then what we'll do is
My popsicle.
because our poor sad popsicle got bitten off a little bit from the top, how about we'll draw some bite marks? Okay. We're gonna draw these bite marks with 3 curves like this. So it's gonna be like 3 like teeth, you know? Like that. Off to the left side. So 3 U shapes that are connected.
I have way more than 3 teeth.
Okay. And then what we'll do is we're going to bring this part down like this to the same length as that one. So we'll curve down till when this line ends. If you're not sure, just kind of make it a little bit longer. Okay. Now that they're about the same length, then we're going to connect it by drawing a line straight across to connect them. Okay. Connect them like that.
I'm careful, it's not gonna be connected. That's why I always say start from the taller part.
Okay, and now let's draw. Every popsicle has what on the bottom of it?
Cone.
Every popsicle has a stick, right?
Yep.
So you can hold the popsicle. So for that, we're gonna make a long U shape that goes down. So find kind of the center part of it here, and then go down and make that U curve, and then go up like that. Beautiful. Okay, now we said we're gonna make 3 different flavors, right?
Yeah.
So the easy way to do that is let's just make a line that goes straight across. Make 2 lines. So 1 across.
So you're gonna make like 100 lines.
Like that. Somewhere towards like this top area. And then another one somewhere more towards the bottom area, like that. So now you have 1, 2, 3 different flavors. Perfect. Okay. And how about we'll add a face here, a little bit of a frowny face, okay? It's not a very happy popsicle because what happened to it? You bit it? Did you bite it, Violet?
No, I have way more than 3 teeth.
You have way more than 3 teeth. So how about we'll add some eyes, and I'm gonna curve my eyes down like that. Okay, we'll make a curvy line for both eyes. So just 2 U shapes. And then you can also make some eyelashes if you want, going down like that.
No, I don't want to.
And then mine is gonna have a curve going down. And I'm also gonna just connect it. So I'm gonna go like this with the same type of curve going down. Oh, yours is very sad. And then I'm gonna add an ear to mine. So not only did it get a part of the ice cream bitten off, but it also got an ear bitten off. And then how about we'll add some hands like going up. It's very upset, like, no.
My body's cut off. My body's cut off.
Make a line going up. And then how about we'll add a heart shape for the hands. We'll do the same thing on the left side, so make a diagonal shape going up. And again, a heart shape for the other hand. It's like, oh, no, I'm so sad. Somebody bit my face. And then actually we can make an eyebrow curve going like that. So that kind of shows like, oh, I'm so sad. And maybe another one like right there. So that's it. That's our frowny, sad popsicle. We're gonna start coloring ours in, color yours in too, and then come back and see how we finished. Ready?
Yeah.
Lila, what flavors did you do for your popsicle?
Strawberry.
Mm-hmm. What's this one?
Blackberry.
Blackberry.
And blueberry.
And blueberry. You know, mine are very similar. I have strawberry, but for this one I have lemon, and then I have blueberry. And you know what? They have actually popsicles like this that I've tried, and they're delicious.
Like exactly like that?
Very similar, yeah. So we want to see what flavors did you guys do for your popsicles. I'm curious, did you also add anything else on the inside? Maybe you can decorate the inside of your popsicles if you want.
You can draw lots of flowers. You can draw everything.
Yeah, you could draw fruits, you could draw flowers, whatever you want.
Or sprinkles.
Yeah, so please take a photo of your drawing and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please check out our other videos and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this with a friend. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.